my YouTube friends, it's me, FlyLady Kat, and today we're going to talk about no, no, yes. And that is a way of thinking that changes our trajectory. So when we are saying, no, I don't want to do that, no, I don't want to do that, and then we say, well, yes, I'm going to do it, and we do it, it changes the whole day. But it is a discipline to say no, no, okay, yes, I'll do it. Yes, I'll do it. So you have to determine that you're going to say yes, and then when you say yes, then you're going to mean it and you're going to do your thing. So let's say you're laying in bed in the morning, all cuddled in. Maybe you woke up in the middle of the night and didn't sleep a little bit, so you're having an extra good lie-in in the morning, and you say, I got to get up. No, I want to lay here. But I need to get up. No, I want to lay here. But if you don't get up, things aren't going to work right. Okay, I'm getting up. And you get up. And then you go into the bathroom and you start washing your face and brushing your teeth, and you say, I don't want to swish and swipe the toilet, so no, I'm not going to do it. I'm skipping it. And as you're brushing your teeth, you say, yeah, I'm not going to do it. And then as you're getting done with your teeth, you could say, okay, I'm going to do it. It'll just take a second. You spray the sink, you spray the toilet, you wipe the sink, you swish the toilet. Yay. And then you go into the kitchen and you say, I want to make myself a cup of coffee and just sit down. I don't want to empty the dishwasher. So you get your coffee going and you start fixing it and you say, yep, I'm not going to empty it. I don't have to. I'll get one of the kids to do it. And then you finally say, nope, Kat said to empty the dishwasher because if I let the kids do it, they're going to be late, they're going to be dishes backed up, it's going to be a mess, so okay, I'm going to empty the dishwasher. And you go through this procedure with everything in your life, but at the end of that day, you're going to feel so much better than if you had just said no, 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 no all day long. So it's no, no, yes. Take a deep breath if you can't say yes. Take a deep breath. Blow it out. Yes, I'm going to do it. Yes. So I want you to practice that this week. If you're one of those people who's been having a really hard time sticking to your routine, following your planner, getting things done in the morning so it's done for the day, that kind of thing. So let's go to the planner. Let's go to the planner. And let's say that you missed your planning and desk day. You missed it. And so now here you are, and it's like Tuesday or Wednesday when you see this video, and you don't have anything planned, and so far you've been walking through mud as far as getting your things done. It's been really hard. So take a minute and sit down and plan out your week. Don't say no, I'm not going to plan it out because the week's already over practically. It's halfway done. Why would I plan it out? Wednesday is planning and desk day. I'll plan next week. I'm not going to plan this week. Well, stop that and say yes. Take a deep breath. Okay, I'm going to plan it out. Sit down for a minute with your planner and plan it out. What am I doing for my weekly plan? What am I doing for my routines? What am I doing for my zone? By the way, if you're watching this as a new video, this is Wednesday. It's planning and desk day for at-home homemakers. Planning and desk day is Sunday evening for next week for payroll homemakers. And it is zone 3, the hall bathroom and one other room. So you've already missed Monday and Tuesday. Consider them missed. So if you're working the classic FlyLady system, you've missed weekly home blessing hour, oh well, and you've missed free day. Oh well, today is planning and desk day. It's a quiet day. So you're still going to do 15 minutes in your zone. If you haven't already done it, I always like you to start with the hall bathroom. If somebody's been bathing in that tub or shower, cleaning that, because that's a one good clean a month. And then you can work either in that bathroom or one other room, the laundry room, a guest room, a child's room, an office, a craft room, pick a room, garage, attic, basement, pick a room, but you're only going to have 2 more 15-minute units left. So pick 2 things that take 15 minutes each and set it down on paper, write it down in your planner, and that's what you're going to do that day. So when you look, you can be focused. So that, let's say it's tomorrow and you've gotten up and you got up on time. You told yourself, yes, I'm getting up. You told yourself, yes, I'm doing my swish and swipe. Yes, I'm emptying the dishwasher. Yes, I'm going through an inch of paper. Yes, I'm going to start a load of laundry. You told yourself yes over and over again. And then you say, oh, I better check my planner. No, I don't need to check it. I know what I'm doing. Today's planning a desk day, or no, it isn't. What is today? Right? So you're going through that and you're saying, wait a minute, hold on. Yes, honey. Okay, I'll be happy to. Sure, we can meet for coffee. I'm so glad to see you again. Okay, bye. And so you now told somebody you're going to go see him for coffee in a few minutes, and you still don't know what you're supposed to do today. And when you get back home, you will have missed it. So instead, if you had looked at your planner this morning, you would have said, oh, it's planning a desk day. I need 2 hours of quiet to get that done. I want to get that done as soon as I can in the morning. And I planned on giving a really good vacuum to the guest room. It's all decluttered. I just want to do a good vacuum in there. And I'm going to take a whole 15 minutes to really vacuum, deep clean. Or I'm going to empty a box or whatever. So then you would know you had 2 hours and 15 minutes worth of work that needed to be done today. And you wanted to get it done as soon as you can in the morning. And your friend calls and said, can I meet you for coffee? And you say, no, but I can meet you for a late lunch, right? You're in control instead of everything controlling you. So stop saying no and start saying yes to yourself. And stop saying yes and start saying no to others. So it's yes, 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 yes. And we're going to have to start saying no. No, I'm sorry, I have something I have to do this morning, but I can do something this afternoon. Oh, you can't? Oh, I'm so sorry, we're going to miss. Hey, let's get your planner out. Let's plan a day next week. I'd love to do that. And you plan it out. Maybe take it on your free day. Next Tuesday I can do it. Or let's say that your friend can only meet with you on Thursdays, period. Well, then you switch your free day to Thursday next week. And you say, I'll be happy to do that with you next Thursday. We can meet at 10 o'clock at Starbucks. I can't wait to see you. Right? Okay. So today, start saying yes to the things you've been saying no to, and no to the things you've been saying yes to. Saying no is hard when you've been saying yes, and saying yes is hard when you've been saying no. But you can do it. I know you can do it. And I'm proud of you for trying to do it or thinking about doing it. And as far as missing the weekly home blessing hour this week, if you really need to get it done, you can switch your days this week, and you can say, okay, I'm going to do weekly home blessing hour today. I'm going to do planning a desk day tomorrow. I'm going to do errand day and car and purse day on Friday. You could do that, collapse some days. But if you missed it, most of the time, I tell you, you've missed it. You might want to wash your sheets. Okay. All right. If you have any comments about this, I'd love to hear them. So put them in the comments below. You know, I don't have a place or time really to answer big questions. If you want questions answered, please come to my live on Monday mornings and ask your question there, and I will answer you live on camera on Mondays. Questions in the comments are hard for me to answer because they take a lot of time and thought, and I don't want to just give it a crazy answer. So comments are great. I'll give you a little heart. I'll give you a little check mark. I read them. They're fun. And I'd like to know what you think about no, no, yes. All right. Have a wonderful day. And always remember that you are beautiful. So be beautiful.